Can InDesign object states be managed easily? Have you ever wondered if managing object states in Adobe InDesign is a straightforward task? Well, you are in for a treat. Let's break it down together. Object states in InDesign are different versions of an object that can be displayed one at a time. This feature is especially useful for creating interactive elements in digital publications, such as slideshows or toggled content. To start managing object states, you first need to create a multi-state object. This is done by selecting multiple objects that you want to group together. Once selected, you can use the Object States panel to convert this selection into a multi-state object. Each object you selected becomes a separate state within that group. This process is visually represented in the Object States panel, making it easy to keep track of everything. Editing and adding states is also quite simple. You can click on any state in the Object States panel to modify its content directly on the page. If you want to add new states, just select the multi-state object and hit the New State button in the panel. You can even add objects to an existing state by selecting both the object and the multi-state object, then clicking the button to add it to the visible state. Navigating through the Object States panel is user-friendly. It provides visual cues to help you know whether you are selecting a state or the entire multi-state object. You can duplicate states, delete any that are not needed, and even convert multi-state objects back into individual objects if you change your mind. The real magic happens when you integrate interactivity. You can create buttons that trigger navigation through the states, like a next or previous button. This allows you to build interactive slideshows or dynamic content in your digital publications. Setting up these buttons is straightforward. You simply assign actions like Go to Next State to user interactions such as clicks. Before you finalize your project, you can preview how the object states behave using the EPUB Interactive Preview panel. This lets you test the interaction and ensure everything works smoothly before exporting. You also have control over whether the multi-state object is visible right away or only after a specific trigger. Object states shine in digital publishing, especially in formats like fixed layout EPUBs or interactive PDFs. They allow for dynamic content presentation, making your documents more engaging. For instance, you can create image slideshows, interactive infographics, or step-by-step tutorials right within your InDesign projects. Overall, managing object states in Adobe InDesign is quite user-friendly once you are familiar with the Object States panel and its features. The interface offers clear options for creating, editing, and controlling states, making it accessible for anyone looking to add dynamic content to their digital publications.